I'm not taking photos because it's very sad. It's in front of people's houses and it's their household belongings and stuff all being destroyed. So I don't feel it's right to take photos lah. But it's basically the entire contents of the house, everything, you know, like all the almari plywood, all like hancho and stuff. So I'm not taking photos lah, but basically if you can imagine the entire contents of people's houses being destroyed by the floodwaters or damaged and can't be used, they're just throwing everything away. Okay, I'm in the truck. I sneaked a video. I'll post it now. This whole area is like this lah. Everything destroyed and put by the side of the road to be carted away because they can't be used. And see, everywhere, left, right, and now the garbage truck is picking up in front of me, so I'm blocked now. I can't exit. So nothing but have to wait lah for them to fill up the truck and move, because this is the only way out of this area. As for cleaning the Surau of mud, the Dato from Sinar Harian called Air Selangor this morning, and he gave up lah because of the bureaucracy and the songiness and whatever else. So there was a private company he contacted him, and he gave the address, and within an hour a tanker came with a pump and they're cleaning up the Surau plus the houses surrounding nearby the Surau lah. The Surau, I tell you, it looks like a shantytown shack lah. The only thing that it had going for it is I think 5 or 6 meter pole which you put a loudspeaker at the top for the azan. Everything else, what do you call it? It just looks like a Romas Tinggan lah, squatter house. Both the masjid and the surrounding houses lah look like that. They may not be, but they certainly look like that lah. Yeah, the whole Batu Tiga, Kampung Batu Tiga low-lying area lah, everywhere was flooded previously. So my boots all kena mud lah. In fact, there were parts where my pins I had to put in diff lock and 4-wheel drive to get out of the mud. Okay, so exhausted. I just got back, made some smoothie and having a break.